Consider again that dot. That's here. That's home. That's us. Everyone you ever heard of, every human being who ever was, every hero and coward, every creator and destroyer of civilization, every king and peasant, every young couple in love, every mother and father, hopeful child, inventor and explorer, every teacher of morals, every corrupt politician on the mote of dust, suspended in a sunbeam, in a vast cosmic arena.
So this is why the earth is so well designed. So this is the most beautiful place that I know, and everyone that has ever lived and everyone who ever known has all been from this one place. It sits at a perfect position from the solar system, at a perfect angle and at a perfect shape. And somehow everything in the solar system seems to be supporting this particular thing. I won't get into the perfect sequences of events that led up to the formation of the earth. That's a beautiful story on its own. And to make this interesting, to explain why the earth is so well designed, let's build a chart. The shape, right? So everything in the universe that has a large enough mass is bound by the laws of physics to become a spheroid. So the earth is no exception to that rule. So the earth is a spheroid because it has a large enough mass and gravity pulls it together so that it becomes a sphere. But we are thankful to this particular shape because what would happen if it wasn't, let's say for example, it was a donut. So this is an interesting idea that I've actually explored in a previous video. I'm not sure if we posted it. It will work for particular places, but in other places it would be too harsh to live in. So a donut shape wouldn't work. And of course, if the earth was flat, there's a lot that people have discussed about what would happen if like you reach the edges. I won't get too much into this because there's a video by What If that you can check out, what if the earth was a donut. Then number 2, why the earth is so well designed, is the position. The Goldilocks zone. So this is the position where the earth is actually situated, where water can exist in all 3 different states. It can exist as a gas, as a liquid, and as a solid. And for us that are organic matter, we need to be in this particular place because we're mostly made of water and we need liquid water to actually survive. So if what would happen if the earth was a little bit further away from the Goldilocks zone, all the water that stays going to freeze and become ice, and if it was any closer, it was going to be evaporated because of the heat. So we're thankful for the Goldilocks zone to keeping the water at the level that it is right now. So the earth actually rotates at a particular angle. It rotates 23.5 degrees to its axis, right? There's a tilt 23.5 degrees. So if there wasn't this particular tilt that we have, if it was winter, we were going to have very cold winters, and if it was summer, we're going to have very hot summers. And without these summers, we don't have different types of food and hibernation and all. Number 4 is the magnetic field. So with the magnetic field, it protects us from cosmic radiation and charged particles that are emitted by the sun. So if we don't have these, you can imagine cancer. So, and this is a secondary benefits for those that have seen it. It's like this beautiful aurora when solar flares from the sun actually interact with our magnetic field. Number 5, the atmosphere. I won't discuss everything because there are different layers of the atmosphere that has different functionalities, but I'm going to just speak about the atmosphere as a whole, as it scatters light. The light from the sun, as it reaches the earth, it gets scattered by the atmosphere so that there's equal parts of warmth. And so like if there isn't this scattering of light, agriculture wouldn't be possible because our plants need the sunlight, and if it's just directed at one place, it's going to affect other plants, and you can see the problem with that. So this is called Rayleigh scattering. It's the same principle that allows the sky to appear to be blue. And we also have the ozone layer in the atmosphere that protects us from UV radiation. It really allows us to be able to enjoy the sun as safe as possible. And then the last point on why the earth is so well designed Nature is so well designed that we even steal its design from it. The designs that nature produces naturally, we steal them. For example, animals with cars, the car designs that are based on animal design. There are birds with planes, of course they're different, but like the same concept applies. And if like you check military planes, they specifically copy specific types of birds so that they can fly perfect. And with ants, we steal their type of design that they build. We steal their architecture and apply them to our own designs of buildings so that they are structurally strong. We have so much that we can also talk about, as with oceans, volcanoes, rainforests, that are just in perfect harmony with everything that makes this place so beautiful. And then we have to ask another question as well: is the universe too perfectly designed for us to exist in it?